Okay, we've been working, yesterday we started with place value, and today we're going to continue with place value. So the packet that your parents picked up from school, okay, look for this page. Okay, it should be the next page in your packet. So look for this one. And then raise your hand when you are ready. That way I know we're ready to move on. Okay, Milan, very good. Angel. Okay, show me when you have the page. Okay, raise your hand. Okay, raise your hand when we're ready. Okay, thank you, Katie. Justin? Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, so we're learning about place value. And remember yesterday how I was showing you. No, that's fine. Okay, so you have to count how many ones and how many groups of 10 we have, like we do in the mornings in the calendar. Okay, so that's what we have to try, and that's what we are practicing. Okay, so right here it's how many ones we have. Okay, we have 1, 2. So I write 2 right there. I have 2 ones. Now I'm going to count and see if there are 10 on the rods right there, okay? And I will be changing the color to red because remember that's the one we use for that place, for the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, there are 10 there. So I circle my group of 10 and I write 10 right there on the top. Now again, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have another group of 10. I circle and I write 10 right there on the top. Okay. So now, right here, these are important words. Same with Miss Morales. Tens, ones. Okay. So now, how many ones do I have? 2. So I write 2 there. Okay. How many groups of 10 do I have? 1, 2. So I write 2 there because I have 2 groups of 10. Now right here on the expanded, I have to write the numbers. So right here I count by tens. 10, 20. So I write 20 there. Okay, because 2 groups of 10 makes 20. Okay. Now my ones, I write them here. Okay. Okay, so all together, I would have 10, 20, 21, 22. So 20 and 2 more equals 22. Okay, so now let's try the next one. Again, I count how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I write 4 there. Okay, now I count how many groups of 10. And I want to make sure there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I circle my 10 there. And I write 10 because I have one group of 10. Okay, so now I'm going to write it by tens and ones. How many tens do I have? I have one group of 10. Okay, I only have one group of 10. How many ones do I have? I have 4 ones. Okay, now I write it in the expanded form. I'm not going to write 1 here. I have one group of 10. So I write 1 and I place the 0. Now, how many ones do I have? 4. Okay, I have 4 ones. Okay, so now I double check my answer. 10 and plus 4 more equals 14. And look, boys, right here, if you see this number and this number, and we were to put it together, it makes what? 14. Okay, so that's a different way of writing 14. This is a different way of writing 14. Okay, ready? Let's try one more on the other side. Okay, so I have, let's count how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 ones. Now let's count our groups of 10. And let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one group of 10. I write 10. Then this would be another group of 10. I write 10. And this would be another group of 10. I write 10. Okay, so how many groups of 10 do I have? 3 groups of 10. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, now how many ones do I have? And I forgot to change the color. Okay. 3. How many ones do I have? 4. Okay, but when I'm writing it down here on the expanded form here, I'm not going to be writing 3. Remember, I count by my groups of 10. 10, 20, 30. Okay, how many ones? 4. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 all together. So this will be your math homework for today. So you have this page to finish today. Okay. And then you have the other one. Okay. Page number 2.